Saturday, August 2nd, I saw a KC-135 Stratotanker take off from Boeing Field for Seafair weekend and the Boeing Airshow. And this plane is one of the planes that is used to refuel other military airplanes after they take off. Or these planes, when they take off, they use a lot of fuel and they need to be refueled for their upcoming mission once they're airborne. And they'll get refueled by this plane. And after the KC-135 took off, it did a demonstration with a C-17 Global Master, and it was a demonstration of it being refueled by the Stratotanker. So that's why it was here and did the demonstration over Lake Washington on Saturday, August 2nd. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of the KC-135 Stratotanker taking off from Boeing Field. I think that's a C-17 Global. Nope, that's a KC-145. It's a fuel tanker. It air fuels planes. Here goes a KC-135 air tanker. It refuels military jets and it's about to take off, go do its show over Lake Washington, and I guess during the show they're going to be fueling up a C-17 Global Master. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the KC-135 Stratotanker taking off from Boeing Field on Saturday, August 2nd for the Boeing Airshow over Lake Washington and for Seafair weekend, because it was pretty cool to see, and that plane is bigger than you really think it is. I hope you guys enjoy this video of the KC-135 Stratotanker taking off and heading to Lake Washington to do its show on Seafair Saturday. And don't forget to hit the bell icon down below so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and if you ain't dreaming, you ain't living. Don't forget to dream big.